So this is basically a parking lot, McDonald's, lunch. Right? We're just chilling, we're hanging out. It's a Nicolette at McDonald's. I'm on my way downtown Toronto. He's about to go to sleep. I'm on my way to go catch my reservation. And he's on his way to sleep. Are you tired? Are you hungry? Are you going to sleep? Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. Let me know where I should take my son next or any ideas. Just drop it in the comments down. I put a light jacket on just in case you get a little bit chilly. It's hot now, but just in case you get a little bit chilly. Gotta go all the way up there. Reservation is in 10 minutes. It's mad because the walk we have to do is hectic. So when we get there, we'll holla back. So we just passed the security check. Let's go. Grab my hand. Oh, yeah, come, let's go. We just passed the security check. Now we're about to enter. I want to do something like that. Chad, tell me, should I do something like that? Should I do a skydiving vlog? Go. This is kind of tough. I'm gonna hold you. You see up here, we just did the reservation. What you call it? Souvenir photo? Blocking it. Koi. Come. Hi. Reservation for 2? Brandon Blair?
Okay.
Brandon Blair. See, I ain't never been in here before, so frightened of me, you know. This is all. We're up. We're not even up yet. Let's go. Let's go. You like it? What are you looking at? You wanna hang off the CN Tower? You wanna do that? No, you don't. No, we're gonna search for the purple one. Thank you. Leave him.
No, don't leave me. 15 miles. So normally it takes us 58 seconds.
He's confused because we're moving, right? I'm confused. I'm the one. I will order it. But we have to read the menu first. We just sat down. Special. Huh? Oh, for him? No.
Good? You stay here, I'm back.
Do you have any plastic cups? No. Yes. Color it. So, we're on top. Look at the views. And Drake, we're basically moving. Can you see that? Look, I put my hand here. Yo, that's mad. That's mad, but no, look at the view though. Look at the view. You claim the suns? So, you gonna see my car?
No.
My car is. I don't know where my car is. If you have a like and subscribe. Then my son is gonna make channel soon. this channel has to reach to a certain threshold before we start our own channel. So me and my son will be on this channel until, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you stay. So let me see the kids menu, you know what I'm saying? So children's menu, you know what I'm saying? So you ain't get a lot of stuff. You ain't got nothing. I mean, it's lunchtime, so and he's just watching this stuff move. That's all he wants to see. The appetizer is here. Cheers. It's your appetizer. Take a look at this stuff, for real. You know what I'm saying? See? Boy, sit down properly. Look what? Drink your juice. You don't want it? He doesn't want your appetizer, y'all. Don't worry. So this is just the appetizer regardless. Yeah, he's just not with it. But anyway, check out my food. We got the bison. We got the bison. And he got the, you know, he's gonna want chicken and fries because, you know. Well, hello, Toronto. So it's dessert time, chat. Because now he wants the color. This is dessert time, chat. I don't know what I got, but this is some yogurt, ice cream, blueberry, jelly type of one. You got whatever that is. You know, because it's a picture thing. It's a picture thing, friend. This one. So yeah, you make sure you go like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the post notification and everything. And I see you guys whenever, you know, I see you guys in the next video. See, I scared you, I'm joking. But yo, turn on the post notification. We're gonna get ready to bounce up out of this, and we're gonna get you guys your gift cards. You know what I'm saying? As I said, when I go home, it might be when I get home, it might be a two-part vlog. I don't know yet. I have to get home and reduce the time on the edit. I'll let you guys know. So I'm still gonna be prepared with the gift cards, you know. I'm still gonna have the gift cards for y'all, regardless or not. So make sure you go like, comment, subscribe. When he starts moving with the thing, make sure you guys go like, comment, subscribe, right, man? Like you gave me. Yo, like you gave me so much trouble today. You wanna get that? Get that. This one. That one. Pay for it. Pay for it. Pay for everything. This? No, you're gonna pay for everything. I'm gonna pay for your cat. Would you like a card, please? Excuse me? Yeah, when you're done.
Yeah, just
Yeah. Yeah, he'll get it. He'll get it, okay? You got that, right? So right now we finished eat and Nicole covered the bill and everything was chilling. So now we're gonna observation. You know, bring him on the glass floor before anything else, you know what I'm saying? On the glass floor, you know what I'm saying? Come look at Toronto. Can you see the ground? You can see the ground? Let's go. All the way down to the ground. Look down. what's that? Is that the ground? Don't jump on it. Man, still ain't gonna hold you. So we're down, and apparently I think we're in the gift shop. $25 for one of these. Mad. Nico, you want a hat? You know what? No. You wanna go home? My shoes are dirty here. Alright, so we're about to check out now. And I don't know, what else you want to do, Nicole? What else do you want to do? Where do you want to go? Okay. So we are on our way walking back to the car. But to leave, hopped out the city. Nicole is walking mad slow after he make me spend mad bread. And we live here. We live here. And we buy gifts from the gift shop of something we see every day. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all Toronto traffic be crazy though. I'm gonna show y'all Toronto traffic be mental. I'll show you, see? We can't even merge on the highway, B. But look at the buildings, look at the architectural. And look at the graffitis and all that stuff. Toronto is just something else. Just take a look. Just take a glance, you know? Just take a look at Toronto traffic. See, it's gonna rain. Can't even take the top down. But just take a look at Toronto traffic. How you want the top down on your coffin? It's kind of chilly. Nick wants it out open, but looks like it's gonna rain. Best I can do, roll the windows down, all of them.
Okay, bye.
I gotta escape. Dip off in a race. You come to the crib and get stopped at the gate. I'm getting this cake. I'm not.